Hi everyone, this is ASKA NAILS. Today's video will show you how to make 10 types of patterns using magnet gel and magnets. Since its released, magnetic gel has become very popular in standard design. But how to make them sparkle and shine? To those who are not quite sure how to use magnets, I will show you how to make 10 different patterns just by changing the way to apply the magnets. Some are very easy and some are rather difficult. Very cute if you incorporate it into your nail design. Please watch until the end. Let's start. This time, to make it easier to see the sparkle of the magnet gel, I applied black as a base color and hardened it. Okay, let's start with the easiest one. First, apply and spread the magnet gel over the entire nail. Then, prepare a specialized magnet for a magnet gel. And from directly above, away from the nail. Apply the magnet at an angle to the nail and slowly bring it closer to the nail. To prevent the magnet from sticking to the nail, when it reaches about 5 mm away from the nail, hold it there for 2 to 3 seconds. Then slowly lift the magnet up and away from the nail. If the magnet is moved to the side of the nail, the glitter on the magnet will move. So be sure to lift it upward as if going back the same way. This alone creates diagonal lines. If you apply the magnet horizontally in the same way, you will get horizontal lines. And if you apply it vertically, you will get vertical lines. This is a very easy method and recommended for beginners. Next is how to make the magnet gel sparkle and shine. Apply magnet gel to the entire nail. Then prepare a magnet. First, apply the magnet vertically from the side of the nail. From a little distance away, slowly moving it closer to the nail. Then it reaches the point where the magnetic gel begins to move. Stop there and rotate the magnet slightly toward the nail at a quick motion. Repeat the same process from the top, bottom, left, and right around the nail to make it sparkle. Magnet gel looks sparkling just by applying it. When the magnet is applied like this, it shines more strongly. This shining is the most attractive feature of magnet gel, so this is the most convenient basic way to move it. Next, let's create another pattern from the overall sparkle created in the previous step. After applying the magnet from around the nail and making the entire nail sparkle, place the magnet at the base of the nail and slowly move it toward the tip of the nail. Push the magnet glitter into the tip of the nail. And when you have pushed it halfway in, return the magnet to the base of the nail. This way, it is very easy to create a magnet gel gradation. If the glitter is reduced by half, when you push it in, you can revive the glitter by placing the magnet only over the tip of the nail. In this case, the basic method of bringing the magnet close to the nail and snapping it off will revive the glitter. Next, moving on the advanced one. Let's create a pattern using 2 magnets. First, attach 2 of these stick-type magnets vertically. Hold this shape and slowly move it over the nail with the magnet gel. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then pull the magnet straight back up to complete the crisscross pattern in an instant. This is very stylish when incorporated as a one-point design for magnetic nails. The same pattern can also be used to create a cross pattern by placing the magnet at an angle to the nail. There is another pattern that can be made with these two magnets connected. Unlike the previous one, hold the magnet vertically and apply the magnet at an angle to the nail as it is. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then lift the magnet straight back up, and an S-shaped line will be created. Now let's try it with two magnets attached side by side. Slowly move the magnet as is closer to the nail from directly above it. Hold them there for 2 to 3 seconds, and then move them back to directly above it. In this way, a pattern like the number 10 was created. Now let's try using the round magnet attached to the other side of the nail magnet. This is also very easy. Slowly bring the magnet close to the nail from above. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, and then lift it straight up to create pattern without glitter only where the magnet is placed. If you do the same on the right side and left side, you can create an hourglass-like pattern. Next, let's try to make a pattern using both square and round magnets. We will use the same methods as before to create a pattern that looks like the sun shining. First, use the square magnet to gather the glitter to the right side. After you have gathered most of them, use the round magnet to push them to the left side from the right side. Sparkling sun-like patterns have been created. Then, let's try French nails. First, apply the magnet in the basic way, making the magnet gel glitter all over the nail. Then, move the glitter from the base of the nail to above halfway up, as if creating a gradation. And use the round magnet to lightly place it on the nail from above to create a curve, completing the French nail. It is very easy as you don't have to draw lines with a brush. Now, one last thing. After making the whole surface sparkle, use a round magnet to make two round patterns, placing it on the top and the base as before. Once the two circles are formed, switch to a square magnet and pull it from the right side to the center and from the left side to center to form the letter H of the alphabet. No matter which pattern you choose, when placing the magnet over the magnet gel, be careful not to place it too close to the nail, so that the gel does not stick to the magnet. If gel gets on the magnet, or if you fail to make a good pattern and lose the glitter, simply stroke the surface of the nail with the brush to restore the glitter, so you can redo the process as many times as you like until you get a satisfying pattern. How did you like the magnetic gel pattern? You can create various patterns by placing the magnets in different ways. Please try it. Thank you again for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please give me a good vote. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more video from me. See you soon. Bye.